Hello. To answer project question number 13 and project question number 14, you need three pieces of data. First of all, you need to know what your overall sample size is, your little n. You need to know how many women are in your database, and you need to know how many Hispanics are in your database. So let's go do each of those things quickly. The number of Hispanics you already have from doing question number 8, but I'm just going to run through that with you again. So we're going to go to stat, we're going to go to quality tools, and we're going to choose Pareto chart. And we are going to choose genetic heritage. We're going to turn that off, or turn it on rather, so we do not combine. And we're going to come over here and we're going to click on that so we don't have that annoying antenna come up on our Pareto chart. And then we say, okay. So this chart tells us that we have 170 Hispanics in this particular data set, which may or may not be the same as your data set. Also, this chart, if you add up all of these numbers across the top here, you are going to get your sample size of n. Now, that's a little tedious to do that, and I'll show you an easier way to find out here in a moment. But the important thing is we have the number of Hispanics at 170. So to get the number of females in our database, I'm going to very quickly make another Pareto chart, which just means overwriting genetic heritage with gender, and boom, I'm done. So quickly we see we have 486 women in this data set. You know that 0 is a woman by looking down here at the explanation of data fields. Also, this is your time to get your proper N. Remember, if you add up all the men and all the women, you will have the proper N for your particular data set. And that is how we get the number of women in the data set, the number of men in the data set, and the number of Hispanics in the data set, and of course, the overall number of people in the data set. For project question number 15, you'll be required to find the number of female Hispanics in the data set, and I refer you to that video for that information.